Hey guys, for the past 2 months I have been using a new graphic tablet Huion HS610, which means every tutorial you have seen since October, starting from creating custom brushes in Photoshop, has been created using Huion pen tablet. So this is something I personally wanted to share from the past 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm going to do a full review and share you my impression after using it daily for the past 2 months. So I received this tablet on October 14th from Huion through Amazon. The product comes with great packaging, presenting it as a premium product. The accessories which you get along with it are a battery-free pen, 90-degree micro USB cable with a length around 4 feet, 2 USB adapters for smartphone usage, pen stand with 8 extra nib for future use, and lastly the tablet itself. The accessories are minimal but with purpose. The build quality of this tablet is very sturdy, light and comfortable to hold. I'm very impressed with the quality of the product, so here is the specs of the tablet I'm using. The first feature is the touch ring, which helps you in zoom in or out your canvas. You can adjust your brush size as well, and you can scroll the pages. And the other feature is the 12 express key on the side of the tablet, and the best thing is you can customize it as per your need. The third feature is battery-free pen, and with 8192 pen pressure, which helps you in creating smooth and accurate lines while drawing. And the last and most important feature is that it supports Android, so you can connect it to your phone or tablet without installing any software. And in terms of design, I can say it's very simple and clean. I've been using this tablet for a month and there are some exercises which I have done. So to check out the performance, I have done some sketching using this tablet and it turns out really well. In the beginning I was a little slow, but after doing it for 1 or 2 hours, it became very familiar with me and I started drawing better. I'm not good at drawing, but still it turns out good. And as you can see right now, I'm using the tablet and it's very smooth. You can use it as your mouse cursor. You can control your whole computer. Not only that, I have used the pen tablet and created all of these tutorials. I have worked on this, and if you check out this tutorial where I have created this sketch effect, so I try to create some sketches using the brush, and rest I have hand drawn these sketches with the pencil. So, and over here the smoothness is really good. As you can see, to remove the background, I have painted over there in the edges. That was really easy for me because I was using the tablet. So it's really helpful to have a tablet like this that gives you the freedom to do your work. When I was using the mouse, I used to avoid anything that I have to drawing or something stuff. So after this, I tried to do some experimentation and it really works well. So it's not only for sketching and all, but it's total freedom. Like you can do anything with this. And after that, I did lots of tutorials to create all of this. I have used this tablet and it was functioning really well. I didn't have any problem with it. Very smooth and accurate. And there's also this one is the tutorial on dual lighting effect, and here I edited some photos. The accuracy is good, the functionality is good, there's no lag, and it's so compatible with my Mac that I don't feel like I haven't used this ever. This is my first time using it and still I feel like I have been using it for a while and it's really good. So in terms of performance wise, I don't feel any issue with it. I have been using it for 2 months and I still feel like it's brand new. There's nothing wrong with this tablet. And one more thing that I want to discuss over here is that customizing option. So when you buy this tablet, you can download this software from their website by mentioning your model number. So this right now my model number is HS610, so I've downloaded this model and it's easily customized. So when I press this keys, you get this express keys where you can customize. So right now it's default. Some of these are default, some of them I have customized it. For example, right now over here I have converted this into Command or Control C and Command or Control V, and this is a space bar. So I use this while creating. Instead of going to keyboard, I press this to use the space bar and this click for copy and paste. In the same way, here on top you get this open or close bracket, which to control the size of your brush and eraser. and you have more buttons over here which you can customize. So practically right now I'm using this and these, that's all. There are lots of other buttons, but it depends on how you want to use it. Over here, if I go to the stylus pen, it has two buttons over here, low and the top one. So at the bottom I have kept it to brush because I want the shortcut brush over here, so I kept it to brush. You can change it easily by just clearing the string and just pressing it. If you want to change it to eraser, just press E and it will be customized, and click OK and apply it, and it will be updated in your Photoshop file. So that way. And this top one is for right mouse button, and I think this is really necessary because you want to go to options by clicking the right mouse button. So this top button acts as a right mouse click button, so I kept it like that. And under work area, you find that you can customize the work area as well. So if I click the full area, the whole working area, rectangular section, you can draw and write, but you can also customize it manually like this. So if you want to make it this much narrow or this much big, it depends on you. You can rotate the angle and anything is like. So right now I'm using it in pieces, so I want the full area and apply it like this. So, and that's all. That's very easy to customize this tablet. And after this, if I go to Photoshop, and here's, I try to do something, I just delete this out, backspace, and let me show you the sensitivity. So I'll go to software again and pen sensitivity. So this is the pressure sensitivity adjustment. You can adjust the pressure sensitivity over here. So right now if I keep it to medium here, you can like draw like this. So this is the default option. You can draw light lines, you can draw thin lines just by using your pressure. And if I increase this pressure sensitivity, you can notice that like very thin to very thick. So you can give little shade like this, thin shades like a pencil, and then you can increase the shading effect by just increasing the pressure, and you see the and then again reduce the pressure and you see. And so this one is for sketching. I think this much pressure sensitivity is very high, so I'll keep it to the default medium. And if you reduce it, you can see you lose your sensitivity. Like if you draw, it's just one thick line. So the best option is the middle region, and that way you got a nice sensitivity. So the customizing option has been a really great feature for me, and most of my work includes like editing, video editing in Premiere, and also recent tutorials which you have seen I have edited in Premiere, and I edited this using this pen tablet. So I just opened one of the file and let me show you the amount of editing I have done in it, so you can have an idea how useful this tablet is. I received this tablet around here, so everything you see from here on, I have used the tablet to create this. So it's like I'm using more often the tablet than the mouse, and this has been a really shift in my workflow. It has increased my speed and workflow. So here's my latest editing file where I have edited a tutorial. So as you can see, there are lots of layers. So all of my tutorial, all of my recent work and designing work is done using the tablet. So it's just my opinion. I have been using this for 2 months. So if you ask me how I feel about this tablet, I think this is the perfect tablet for me. So if you're a beginner, I think this is the best tablet, and if you're a professional also, I think this is best one. Like it's under budget, it's a budget tablet, but still giving you the best performance you want from a tablet. It's a pro level, you can do any work of this. There might be some feature which you don't get if you compare with the higher version of the tablet, but I think if you get used to it, you see that all the basic necessary options are available with this tablet. So this is my overall overview of this tablet. The only additional feature I would like to have is the wireless support. It will make this tablet a perfect graphic tablet. These are one of those tools that I'm most excited about having it as a creator. It has increased my speed and workflow. So thank you, Huion, for this tablet. If you want to check out this product, I have shared the link in the description. I have included the official link of Huion website and the Amazon link. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.